Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to hide applications on home and app screens in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, how to hide our applications without uninstalling them. Here we have our home screen and here we have our app screen. To hide applications from both of these screens, we have to go to home screen, and here you have the option to hide it. Hide apps on home and app screens. When we go in here, we can hide applications from both screens. Let's say we want to hide our phone applications, and done. And now our phone is gone. We can't use it. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.